शुभोदय बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? अच्छा है और ओके। आइए मैं आज आपको हिंदी में व्यंजन के बारे में सिखाऊंगी। अब तक आपने आ टू अहा तक स्वर सिखाया था ना, आज मैं आपको व्यंजन सिखाऊंगी। बिफोर गोइंग फॉर व्यंजन चिल्ड्रन, we'll revise once what we have learned. You all know, right, how to write swar. How many swars are there? 13 swar. Okay. These many days you have learned how to write a to aha. Now I am going to the next topic or next part, that is called as Vyanjan. In Hindi it is called as Vyanjan. Vyanjan means consonants. What do we call it as? Consonants. Swar means I have taught you as vowels. 13 vowels. Now here I am teaching you Vyanjan, yani consonants. Once we will go through oral. Okay children? A, I, U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, Aha. You all know this, right? Now I am going for the Vyanjan. K, Kha, Gha, Gha, Nya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Nya, Ta, Tha, Dha, Dha, Na, Tha, Tha, Dha, Dha, Na, Pa, Pa, Bha, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, She, Sa, Ha. These are called as Vyanjan. Okay children? Next, Ksha, Tra, Gya, Shra. This is called as Samyukt Akshar. I taught you as conjugates, right children? Conjugates. This is also called as combined letter. Okay? This is also called as combined letter. Okay children? This is Ksha, Tra, Kya, Shra. It is also called as combined letters, यानी संयुक्त अक्षर. और एक बार ख, ख, घ, घ, न्या, च, च, झ, झ, न, ठ, ठ, ध, ध, न, थ, थ, ध, ध, न, प, फ, भ, भ, म, य, र, ल, व, श, शे, स, ह, क्ष, त्र, gya, shra. Children, you have to learn this orally. How you learn a to aha, right? The same way you are going to learn ka to shra, how to read orally also. Today I am going to teach you kha to na, how to write. लिखने आप कैसे लिखेंगे मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी, ख से न्या तक. Okay children, ready? Come. See children, you are writing on a double N as usual. How you wrote A to aha, right? Same thing. See here, एक खड़ी रेखा, एक goal in the middle of the double line, then half like this. This is called as letter K. One more time. See here, खड़ी रेखा, एक गोल और एक आधा गोल जैसा लिख के एक शिरोरेखा लिखना, इसे हम ख कहते हैं. देखिए, this is called as small k. You shouldn't drag k. Okay, this is k. Okay, write like this within the double line. Don't come out of the double line, children. Okay. Now after k, it is k. How you write k? Start from the top line like this. First write like 2. See here. Then go top. One standing line, एक goal in the middle of the line and one Shirorekha. See here children, again I am writing. Go like this. Touch the down line. One Khadi Rekha. Don't lift your pencil in the middle. Okay? This is letter K. K, K, G. See here? Start from the top line or a Khadi Rekha. Touch the down line. Okay? This is letter G. एक आधा सा खड़ी रेखा और छोटा सा गोल और एक खड़ी रेखा. This is letter G. K, K, G, G. See here? One backside curve. इसे जोड़कर और एक बैकसाइड कर्व लिख के थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाकर उसी लाइन पर एक खड़ी रेखा लिखना. इसे घ कहते हैं हम. घ. See here? Don't touch the down line. Don't lift your pencil until you finish the letter. Okay? This is घ. क्या कहते हैं हम बच्चों? इसे हम घ कहते हैं. After घ, it is ñ. See here? You know how to write E, right? The same way. Write like this. Put one small dot in the side. This is letter N. See here children, this is letter N. Right? Kh se you can say Kachua. Kachua means tortoise. Kh se Kargosh. Kargosh means rabbit. Gh se Gada. Gada means donkey. Gh, Gar. Gar means house. N. Okay? After Kha Kha Ga Gana, we are going to the next letter. This is letter Ch to N. Okay? Now I am writing letter Ch. In the middle of the line, double line, one sleeping line, एक छोटा सा curve लेके और एक खड़ी रेखा. Don't lift your pencil until you finish the letter. See children? Ch. Ch. What is this letter? This is letter Ch. Next, Ch. How you write? Like this. One small sleeping line, Kshirorekha. You have to touch the down line. See here? Like this. This letter Cha. Big Cha. Is a small Cha. इसे हम big Cha कहते हैं. Cha, Cha, Cha. How you write Ja? One half curve like this. One sleeping line and one standing line. This is letter J. See here children, letter J. This is letter J. Then we are going to the next letter J. Okay? Big J. Write like E. Okay? Then one small sleeping line in the middle, one standing line and one sleeping line. See here children, start with the top line, write like E letter, then one sleeping line, one standing line. See here children, this is letter J. After J it is N. Write like this in the middle of the line, then one sleeping line, one standing line and one sleeping line. See here children, like this in the middle of the line. This is N. See here, Ch, Ch, J, J, N. K, K, G, G, N. Ch, Ch, J, J, N. Children, I have taught you how to write. लिखने के लिए सीखा ना आपने. मैं आप उसके साथ पिक्चर्स यानी वर्ड्स, जुड़ा हुआ वर्ड्स, काक के साथ जुड़ा हुआ पिक्चर्स यानी वर्ड्स मैं आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में सिखाऊंगी. Children, this is your textbook, right? Now I am going to teach you the letters with pictures. पढ़ो और सीखो यानी read and learn. Which is this letter children? I taught you on the board. Letter K. What is this letter? K. K से कछुआ. कछुआ यानी tortoise. K से कफस. कफस यानी cage. We keep all the birds, right? Cage. K se karvat. What is this? K se karvat. Karvat yani saw. We use this for cutting wood, right? So K se kachua. Kachua yani tortoise. K se kafas yani cage. K se karvat. Karvat yani saw. Then after K it is K, big K. K se kaga. Kaga yani bird. K se kargosh. Kargosh yani rabbit. K se kat. Kat yani letter. This is in the page number 13. Children, you have to write this. You have to trace and write these letters. In each page, when I am teaching you the letters, you have to trace the letters on the, okay, you have to trace these letters. Now, K se kaga yani bird. K se kargosh yani rabbit. K se kat. Kat yani letter. So next, after K it is G. Okay, this is G. G se ghanna yani sugar cane. Children, I have taught you one more name for sugar cane in Hindi. Which letter? Letter E. E se eek, right? We call this as ghanna. It is also called as eek. G se ganna yani sugar cane. G se ghad. Ghad yani fort. Fort you have seen na, old palaces and all kings were ruling. So that is called a fort. G se gada. Gada means donkey. G se ganna sugar cane. G se ghad fort. G se gada yani donkey. Then this is big G. G se ghar. Ghar yani house. We all live in the house, right? G se ghoda. Ghoda yani it's an animal. Which is this? Horse. G se gadiyali. Gadiyala. This is called as crocodile. Gadiyala. Okay. G se gar. House. G se ghoda. This is horse. G se gadiyal. It is called as crocodile. Trace this, children. Then after that it is nya. This is nya. Then after nya it is letter ch. Okay. This is letter ch. Ch se chakra. Chakra yani wheel. Ch se chatak. Chatak yani sparrow. Ch se charan. Charan yani foot. Ch se chakra. Wheel. Ch se chatak. Sparrow. Ch se charan yani foot. You have to trace this, children. After ch letter, it is ch, big ch. This is chakada yani bullaka. Chakada. Then ch se chadi. Chadi means stick. Ch se chatri. Chatri means, this is umbrella. Ch se chakada yani bullaka. Ch se chadi, stick. Ch se chatri. Chatri means it is called as umbrella. Next, j. Okay. What is this? J. J se jalak. Jalak means conch. Conch we get it from a sea. It is a seashell. We can see that. You can get it as we'll use it for puja and all. Okay. Sound will come from this. This is called as cow. Then j se jawan. Jawan means soldier. J se jahaj. Jahaj yani ship. J se jhalak, conch. J se jawan, soldier. J se jahaj. Jahaj yani ship. Children, trace this letter. After J, it is big J. See here, children, which is this letter? I taught you how to write, right? So this is letter J. J se jhanda yani flag. J se, what is it? Jash. Jash means we can say it as machli also. Then the other name for machli, amni fish, it is called as jash. So jha se jharoka yani window. Jha se jhanda, it is a flag. Jha se jhash yani fish. Jha se jharoka window. Then nya. This is letter nya. Children, you have to trace on this. After reading these pictures, children, I'll teach you how to write in the classwork. Okay, children? Children, this is your Hindi classwork. Okay, write the date, 17/8/2020. Okay children, now write K, K, G, G, Nya. Okay children, now draw a line in the middle of the letters. See here, write neatly, don't come out of the double line. Okay children, then you have to start writing. Like this you have to write. Like this you have to write in a page full. This is your Hindi classwork. Okay children, this is your Hindi classwork. So I finished the full page. Next, the same date I am writing here. Okay, the same date I am writing here, 17/8/20. So the next letter which I taught you, Ch, Ch, J, J, N. Okay children, now take a scale, draw a line in between the letters. Okay, now start writing Ch, Ch, J, Jhana. Okay, see here, full page you have to write children. Children, I finished a page full. Cha to na. See here, kha to na, cha to nya. Okay, you have to write in Hindi classwork plus Hindi homework book children. Then I have said you from the textbook you have to trace the letters. If you have time children, you can do your copywriting book also. Okay children, so neat and legible, neatly you have to write these letters. Don't come out of the double line. Okay children, thank you.